KCOMM is an integrated communications company. We offer public relations, internet marketing, and public affairs government relations services. And we've been doing this for 30 years. We've had over 2,000 clients and over 100 million in billings. I took this home and turned it into a home office because it is such a great property. It has great views, a lot of workspace that we could use. So the reason why we call this place the Command Center is we are a communications operations firm. So if you think of air traffic control, they've got a command center. You think of mission control at NASA, they have a command center. Very similar, we drive a lot of the communications for our clients. These are very important tasks that we have. These are important responsibilities. And we need clarity, we need technology, we need an environment that's going to provide a maximum throughput.
I love the KCOMM Command Center. I think what I really like about it is being able to bring other people here to experience it.
They're always surprised at first. Wow, this Command Center is not like any meeting we've ever gone to. It really just takes some of the pressure out of these business corporate interactions and allows these interpersonal relationships to develop and creativity to flourish.
We are a digital agency. We are technology first.
Technology really is just in every single piece of what I do on a day-to-day basis.
Everything we do involves a screen, one way or another.
We have displays that are used from personal computing to a larger display when we're doing presentations. And we use them in various applications, whether I'm checking my personal email or if we're using it for Zoom and any sort of telecommunications that we're doing, as well as presentations. And we bring in clients and we'll use our large display here in my personal office to actually walk them through vision boarding that we have or a capabilities presentation. And these graphics and the way that our team creates beautiful illustrations in Canva, and then we're demonstrating it up on these beautiful displays. It's just like a harmonious technology environment. So we've got tech throughout the command center, but it's also frictionless technology. You don't see cords and cables, and it provides you that clean atmosphere. One of the greatest devices that we have here is our IFP by ViewSonic. So this has just been a multi-use platform where we can annotate on it, we can share in real time, we can collaborate.
The ViewSonic IFP is definitely helpful for collaboration during our meetings, since we're able to cast our screens and also be interactive with the display. We're able to draw on it, we're able to take notes, we're able to show videos and really collaborate with each other. We're all looking at the same thing and we just feel a lot more connected.
It really is challenging to try to present something from a small laptop screen. It's not super collaborative, it doesn't really engage the people in the room. And I think something that I really like about the ViewSonic IFP is it coordinates the team's effort and focus in one place that is easy to see. The screen's massive, that multiple people can share their screens at different points throughout the meeting whenever it's needed. Having that visual to collaborate around and also work on is really a game changer.
The portable ViewSonic monitor is super handy, especially when I'm meeting with clients, and we're working collectively in an open thought space and just writing down our ideas. We can go ahead and just pass it around. There's no issues with connectivity. They can all just kind of pass it around, share the screens, and we can collaborate together just on one focal monitor screen.
When I'm on the go, it's really hard to do what I want to do in the way that I want to do it with just a laptop. And so something that I love about the ViewSonic portable monitor is its portable nature. I mean, it enables me to, whether I'm working remotely, but I may be not at home and I don't have access to my home tech, or whether I'm presenting a client, meeting with the client, the ability to have multiple screens, to have a screen that the client can engage with, whether it's presenting or pitching a new client, or presenting a PR plan, or something where the client has a visual, and then in the meantime I can pull up my laptop and take any meeting notes required, or even present two different plans or options or screens at the same time. It really makes a big difference in what I do.
Technology is the ultimate equalizer. You don't need to have a massive budget to have technology, and that's the beauty of this. We're very grateful at ViewSonic, walked through our command center, made the recommendations, and delivered right on the bullseye.